Are you sitting in the big girl chair? You didn't want to sit in your high chair? Okay. Well, be careful. You're right on the edge. Are you getting down? Are you all done with your chicken? Where are you going? Come on, we gotta change your pants. You took a big dump. Come on. Quit messing with that. No. No. Come on. No, stay out of there, too. Mirabelle, close the door. That's Mommy's cupboard. No.